General Industrial Controls, commonly known as GIC, is established 4 decades back in 1972. GIC is an industry with ISO 9001 and 2008 and TS 16949 company. It manufactures world-class automation systems and injection molded plastic parts, and it has also got a world-class tooling activity. In the initial years of manufacturing tools, we were using hand sketches drawn on paper, and later on, when the 2D platform came into existence, we started redrawing the sketches on 2D software on the screen. It was difficult for most of the people to understand the 3D aspects and the 3D intricacies of the mold design and the part design.
The day we are started using NX, we are very clear about the features of the component. This is the language of tool engineer, which is very simple to understand. The designer is sharing his thoughts and manufacturer can easily understand. So NX has made it very simple that my total team has adopted in very less time.
Whenever we receive any RFQ from our customer, we will make a feasibility study using Siemens NX software.
NX, it has its own intelligence. It can analyze the part very easily. NX can do the analysis of the draft as well as the thickness.
There are radii at different areas of a plastic profiles where we need to know what type of liberty can be given on those radii so that it can be machined faster on 3D CNC milling machines.
There are many cross-functional teams like EDM, Wirecut and VMC. So after completion of the tool design, that design we can share with these teams and we can get their feedback.
You can analyze the part even at the design stage, which can help in getting the final product even on a virtual platform.
Being the first point contact with the customer, I need to satisfy myself in terms of the quality of the mold. Response is another key factor which we need to give immediate, because people want the reply in 1 day's time.
With the implementation of Siemens NX Mold Wizard 3D software, both in design and in manufacturing stages, with the help of 3M software services, GIC has been able to reduce the communication time substantially. At the same time, the design cycle time has been reduced to 35%.
I recommend NX to everybody because it is a very comfortable software which helpful for the mold design as well as the product design.
NX Mold Wizard has brought in a phenomenal change in the way the process of manufacturing tool design is now dealt with.